What's up, guys? In this video, we're looking at how to change from Pro to Lite on interactive brokers. I'll be showing you this on the web client portal. First, head to interactivebrokers.com. In the upper right corner, you'll see a login button. Click on that. From the drop-down that appears, select Portal Login. That'll take you to the login page. Once the login page loads, enter your username and password in the center fields, then click Login. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you'll need to complete that step as well. Once you're through, the client portal homepage will load with your portfolio overview and dashboard sections. Now, look to the top right corner of the client portal. You'll see a user menu icon that's the Head and Shoulders profile icon. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account options. From that drop-down, select Settings. The Settings panel will open up on your screen. Once you're in Settings, look for Account Configuration and select that. The Account Configuration options will appear. In the Account Configuration section, find and select IBKR Pricing Plan. This will bring up the Pricing Plan selection interface. You'll see options for both IBKR Lite and IBKR Pro, along with descriptions of each plan. You'll also see a notice about service plan changes. Basically, it tells you that changes apply to all your linked accounts, and you can switch up to 3 times in 90 days before any additional switches get a 90-day holding period. Now, select the IBKR Lite option. Review the description if you want. It'll mention commission-free trading in US stocks and ETFs, no account minimums, and no inactivity fees. Once you've selected IBKR Lite, you'll see a button to submit your request. Click that. You'll see a confirmation that your request has been submitted and will be processed on the following Friday. The switch will take effect within 1 business day after it's processed. Your positions and portfolio stay exactly as they are. Nothing gets sold or moved. There's also no fee to switch between pricing plans. If you ever want to switch back to Pro, you can do the same process. Just keep in mind that your first 3 switches happen quickly, but after that, there's a 90-day wait between switches. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.